Do you know? Your kidneys are your body's heroes that do not get much credit. They work non-stop to filter out toxins, balance electrolytes, and regulate blood pressure. You might not even know that your kidneys are slowly deteriorating. It's a myth among people that kidney disease always gets worse and cannot be stopped, but science has proved this wrong. You might find it hard to believe, but experts say that even people with serious kidney disease, like stages 4 and 5, can still improve if they correct their lifestyle and follow a few important tips. Now it's time for you to save your kidneys and avoid dialysis with some simple habits. You have the power to protect your kidney health by following tips that I'll share in today's video. But before we begin, please like this video. This helps YouTube recognize it as valuable information and share it with more people. Now let's get started. Stick around until the end because I'll share an interesting fact that scientists have proved. Tip number 1. Control oxalates. Oxalates are tiny compounds present in lots of everyday foods, but they might be harming your kidneys more than you think. You don't have to worry though. I've got your back. In this video, I'll guide you to manage them so your kidneys can stay strong. Have you ever thought about how the foods you eat could be affecting your kidney health? Oxalates are found in leafy greens, nuts, and seeds. They have both good and bad sides. If you already have kidney issues, oxalates can be harmful. They attach to calcium in your kidneys and form kidney stones, which are very painful and can cause long-term kidney damage. It's important to manage how much oxalate you eat to keep your kidneys healthy. Now you might be wondering, how can you manage oxalate levels in your diet? You don't have to completely remove oxalates from your meals. All you gotta do is to balance them to lower the risk of kidney stones. There are 2 ways to control the oxalates. One helpful way is to eat foods high in oxalates together with foods rich in calcium. When eaten together, calcium binds to oxalates in the stomach instead of in the kidneys, which reduces the chance of stone formation. For example, if you like spinach, which is high in oxalates, try eating it with dairy products rich in calcium like cheese or yogurt. This small change can help protect your kidneys while still allowing you to enjoy a variety of foods. Another effective way to lower oxalate levels is by cooking your vegetables. Cooking can reduce oxalates in some foods by up to 50%. Simply steaming or boiling vegetables like spinach or sweet potatoes makes them safer to eat, especially for those worried about kidney stones. Heat helps break down oxalates, so you can still enjoy these nutritious foods with less risk. At the same time, it's important to be aware of how much high oxalate food you eat overall. Being mindful of your intake can help you maintain a healthy balance and reduce the risk of kidney stones. Other foods that contribute to kidney stones are beets, rhubarb, almonds, and chocolate because they contain high levels of oxalates. It's okay to enjoy these foods once in a while, but eating them in moderation is key. Cutting down on high oxalate foods can help lower the risk of kidney stones. However, controlling oxalate intake is just one part of keeping your kidneys healthy. While making these dietary changes is important, kidney health depends on many different factors. As we continue learning about better kidney care, let's explore another important aspect. Tip number 2. Increase the amount of vitamin D you get. You might wonder how a vitamin can make such a big difference. Well, research shows that about 80% of people with kidney problems don't get enough vitamin D. Not having enough of this vitamin has been linked to kidney disease, so it's important to make sure your body has enough. Vitamin D helps control blood pressure, keeps your bones strong, and can even lower creatinine levels. It prevents proteinuria, a condition where too much protein is found in the urine, which can be a sign of kidney damage. By getting enough vitamin D, you can help protect your kidneys from further harm. Now let's move on to tip number 3, which is introducing fiber in your diet to get rid of uremic toxins. Have you heard of uremic toxins before? Let me tell you about it first. Uremic toxins are harmful waste products that build up in the blood when the kidneys can't remove them properly. These toxins come from the breakdown of proteins and other processes in the body. When the kidneys aren't working well, levels of waste like creatinine and urea, a nitrogen-based compound, increase in the body. Soluble fiber in food can help by mixing with water in the intestines to form a gel-like substance. This gel traps waste, including uremic toxins, and stops them from entering the bloodstream. One of the best sources of soluble fiber is acacia fiber. Interestingly, studies show that people with serious kidney problems may avoid dialysis for up to 8 years by using acacia fiber. Since it's a soluble fiber, it helps prevent harmful toxins from getting into the blood, making it especially useful for those with kidney disease. Tip number 4. Make simple changes to your diet. Small adjustments in your diet can help your kidneys heal. For example, cut down on salt and maintain your blood. If you have kidney problems, it's important to be mindful of your diet. Here's how you can take care of your kidneys in simple terms. Watch your salt intake. Avoid processed and packaged foods because they often have a lot of salt, which can raise blood pressure and cause your body to hold on to extra fluid. Be careful with protein. Eating too much protein can put extra strain on your kidneys, especially if you already have kidney disease or kidney stones. Depending on your condition, you may need to eat less protein. Talk to a doctor to find out how much is safe for you. Potassium matters. If your kidneys are healthy or you have early-stage kidney disease, potassium, found in foods like bananas, oranges, tomatoes, and potatoes, can be good for you. But if your kidney disease is more advanced, your kidneys may struggle to handle potassium, so you should eat less of these foods. Choose the right carbs. Stay away from refined carbs like white bread, white rice, and regular pasta. Instead, go for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. These have fiber, which helps keep your blood sugar stable and gives you energy without stressing your kidneys. Limit alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can harm your kidneys, interfere with medications, and raise blood pressure, which increases the risk of kidney disease. Control your blood sugar. If you have diabetes, managing your blood sugar is key to protecting your kidneys. Work with your doctor to keep it in check. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps your kidneys flush out waste. If you already have kidney disease, ask your doctor how much water is right for you. Now it's time to share the interesting fact that I promised at the start of the video. Fact: adopt a pet. Yes, a pet. Having a pet can bring joy and reduce stress, which is great for overall health. This can bring unexpected benefits to your kidney health and overall well-being. Getting a pet. Whether it's a dog, cat, or any animal of your choice, having a pet can bring joy and companionship, and even improve your health in many ways. Studies show that spending time with animals can help reduce stress, lower blood pressure, and ease anxiety. Since stress and high blood pressure can affect kidney health, keeping them under control is important. Plus, activities like walking a dog or playing with a cat can help you stay active, maintain a healthy weight, and keep blood sugar levels balanced. Having a pet can be a wonderful addition to your efforts to improve kidney health. Their love and companionship can offer emotional support, making daily life easier and more balanced. Adopting a pet might just be the best decision for your health and happiness. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to help. Share this video with your friends and family. Sadly, many people can't afford health insurance, and in some places, there aren't good public treatment options. That's why it's so important to spread this video online. Also, comment on which pet you already have or would you like to adopt.